Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today is a good day. The sun is shining in my area. I feel relaxed. I had a great weekend and I hope you did too as well. All right, you all. DW has done it again with an awesome watch face that I know you're gonna love. So stay tuned. It's coming right up. What's up guys, welcome back for another video. And yes, this is a Funday Sunday watch face review, and this is the watch face of the day. DW got down on this watch face. I'm going to give him 2 thumbs up for design and creativity. I'm loving the look of this watch face. Now the name of the watch face is called DW20, and if you look in the always on mode, he gives you all the info you can ever want to see at a glance. He gives you your digital time and he gives you some of your step status info as well. Now when the watch face is on, here's where the creativity starts to excel. You look up at the top, you get the rotating seconds that's going around, but not only that, I like the fact that it's two-tone, red and black, which gives this an awesome look. Now right up under, you're also going to get animated seconds right in the center of that, and you come down, you're going to get info on floors climbed, miles walked or ran. Right up under that, you're going to get the day of the week, your digital date, and you're also going to get your moon phase. Right up under that, flanked on both sides of your digital time. Your digital time does look nice, and you get your goal completed so far as your steps. On the other side, right hand side that is, you get your battery percentage. I'm liking the look of those 2 dials. Right up under that, you get what's important to most people, which is steps and calorie burned info. Right up under that, I'm loving the look, you get settings and phone. So you get a couple of shortcuts with that, and you can single tap into it and go into that setting or your steps or whatever you want to go into with this watch face. And it gives you a layout of everything you can tap into to have easy access to. This watch face is beautiful. It's off the chain. DW again has done this thing. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the rest of your Funday Sunday. Relax, eat well, enjoy family, and most of all, have fun. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Again, and as always, I will see you all at the next one. Take care.